Now we will look into exercise 1.1. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. 1 lakh is equals to dash 10 thousands. 1 lakh is equals to dash 10 thousands. The answer is 10 thousands. That means 10 into 10 thousands. 1 million is equals to dash 100 thousands. Can anybody guess? It is 10 into 10 hundred thousands. 1 million is equals to 10 into 10 hundred thousands. 1 crore is equals to dash 10 lakhs. 1 crore is equals to 10 lakhs. That means 10 into 10 lakhs. 1 crore is equals to dash into dash million. That means this is in Indian numeral system and this is in international number system. 1 crore is equals to dash million. That means 10 millions. And 1 million is equals to dash lakh. 1 million is equals to 10 lakhs. Okay. If you can see, this is how we are going to categorize according to Indian, according to international numeral systems. See this one. 1 lakh is equals to 10 thousands. That means, see this one, 10 thousands. This is 1 lakh. Okay. Similarly, 1 million is equals to 10 hundred thousands. 10 hundred thousands. Okay. This is 10 thousands. This is 1 million. 1 million is equals to 10 hundred thousands. See this one. This is the reference. Similarly, 1 crore. This is Indian number system and this is international number system. 1 crore is equals to dash 10 lakhs. 1 crore is equals to 1 crore is equals to 10 lakhs. 1 crore is equals to dash million. That means 10 million. 1 million is equals to dash lakh. That means 10 lakhs. Okay. This is the solution. Place commas correctly and write the numerals. We have to place the commas correctly. 73 lakh 75,307. That means 73 lakh, okay, 75,307. 73 lakh, comma, 75,000, comma, 307. If you can combine all these things, 73 lakh, 75,307. Second question, 9 crore 5 lakh 41. If you can observe in this question, there is no thousands place. Okay. So what we will do? See, 9 crore, okay, 5 lakh 05. There is no thousands. So 00, comma 41. There is no hundreds place if you can observe. So 041. By combining all these values, 9 crore, 5 lakh, okay, 41. Because there is no thousands value. Ones, tens, hundreds, like this. Okay, I don't want to repeat the previous basics of this question. Units, hundreds, tens, like this we are going to divide. Okay, in that way, this is 9 crore, 5 lakhs. There is no thousands place and there is no hundreds place, so 41. Okay, good. Next, 7 crore 52 lakh 21,302. Here there is a thousands place, don't worry. 7 crore 7, comma, 52 lakhs 52, comma, 21 thousands 21, comma, 302. 302 by combining 7 crore 52 lakh 21,302. Next question, 58 million 423,202. This is international numeral system. 58 million 423,202. 58 million 423,202. This is international number system. See here, 23 lakh 30,010. 23 lakhs 23 comma 30 thousands 10 30. After that we have the value of 10. There is no 100. Okay, 10. 23 comma 30 comma 010. This is 23 lakh 30,010. Insert commas suitably and write the names according to the Indian system of numeration. According to Indian system of numeration, we have to do two things here. One is we have to insert the commas, and after that we have to write according to Indian system of numeration. 875956762. So ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Okay, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So 8 comma, tell me students, 75 comma 95 comma 762. We can write this as 8 crore 75 lakh 95,762. Okay, we will see the next problem. 8546283. So after first 3 digits putting the comma, and after that next 2 digits putting the comma, that means ones, tens, hundreds, okay, thousands, 10,000s. This is in the lakhs position. So 85 lakhs 46,283. See here, 85 lakh 46,283. This is the value. Next one, 999,000,046. Again, leave the first 3 digits. After that, put comma for these 2 zeros, for 2 nines, comma, and for the single line, comma. That means ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, and this is crore. So 9 comma 9 crores comma 99 comma 00 comma, that means 1000 position is 0. There is no thousands. 046. There is no 100. We can call this as 9 crore 99 lakhs 46. 9 crore 99 lakhs 46. Without inserting the comma, it is very much difficult to write the place values. Okay, so we have to insert the commas and we have to write the place values. Once again, tell me, after 3 digits I am putting comma. After again after 2 digits I am putting comma, and after this one putting comma. That means 9 crores 9 comma 84 comma 32 comma 701. That means 9 crore 84 lakhs 32,701. This is the value of the number. Now the next sum is insert commas suitably and write the names according to International System of Numeration. See this one, 7892192. Okay, how we are going to write? Tell me. 78 comma 921 comma 092, and we can call this as 78,921,092. Okay, 78,922, I'm sorry, 921,092. Okay, we will see the next one. 7452283. Once again, 283 we are putting comma, 452 we are putting comma up to 7. 7 comma 452 comma 283. That means 7,452,000. This is 452,000 and 283. 7,452,283 is the value. Again, for this also same. 99 comma 985 comma 102. That means 99,985,102. Okay, we will see the next one, 480,49831. After 831 we are putting comma up to 3 digits, and 48 we will get here one more comma. 48 comma 049 comma 831. We can call this as 48,049,000, because here it is 0. 49,831. Okay, this is about the exercise 1 in the chapter number 1 of 6th standard CBSE.